Hello and welcome to my video of me solving the Rubik's Cube. I had assistance with a B club and this guy named JJ that's sitting right next to me. Please subscribe to my videos. Now here he is mixing up the cube. Wow, he's fast. Here's me solving it at normal speed, so do not adjust the TV screen. Here's me solving the green cross. Then look, I made a bar. Then I have to do stuff and more stuff. This is actually real time. If you look, you actually zooming in and out. And this is not speed up time. So if I would have speed up time, I would have make it 5 seconds long. So, and here's me solving the middle layer. You need to solve the Rubik's Cube in a way so it does not mess up any sides. And by doing that, you need to do that in layers. I'm almost done with my millimeter. And here comes the last one, please. Nope. Yes, this is my last one. Next week I'll be showing you how to solve the 4x4 Rubik's Cube. Or I'm going to show you me solving the Rubik's Cube. Now here's me solving the last one.